Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Trevino Memorial High School, Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. President, Principal Perry O. Coruno, Corps and Staff. John Dexter E. Roman, Corps Commander. Clark Joven Candelaria, Corps XO. Princess Alicia Bazar, S1. Jude Enrico Castillo, Corps S2. Lindsay Luisa Cabiles, Corps S3. Gerald Salditos, Corps S4. Major Leader Jodily Amis, Band Leader Floyd Cendrix Medes, Company Commander Russell Pisino, Company XO Edmundo C. Jr. First Platoon Leader Boys Jerome A. Umbao. Second Platoon Leader Girls Kisha May Renehen. CAT Facilitator Melody C. Espirito Teacher 1. Band Advisor Coordinator Julio Cesar Iraula. Major Trainer Mark Jason Navales. Band Master Trainer Raymark De La Cruz. Assistant Mapping Facilitator Brian Ravago. Assistant Band Advisor Coordinator Hadeline A. Castillo. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 2, 1F Trevino Memorial High School, Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur.
We would like to acknowledge City Councilor Gail Abonel Gomez and Jefferson Felix. Also, ASDS Fernando Boy Macaraig. And also City Councilor Ason Piñaplo. We would like also to acknowledge City Councilor Sunny Ragnolo.
Entry number 2, 1F Trevino Memorial High School from Caranan, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 3,